welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching you live and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on the channel, you're highly welcome. This is the place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. In this channel, I try my best to dive deep into sensitive topics concerning African spirituality and mostly pagan spirituality as well. Then I try to go into details to explain the various concepts as best as I can. So this is an open channel, and almost all topics are open here for discussion. And if you have any ideas or any questions, there's any doubt or something that is plaguing your mind about any aspect of African spirituality, you are very free to ask that question on this very place. Here we try to be open and interactive as much as possible. So you are welcome to send me subjects or questions about African spirituality that you would like to know my opinion on. I don't have all the answers. I don't promise you that I know everything. I don't know everything. In fact, I know nothing. I try to learn every day, and I will try my best to see as much information I can get on any certain topic regarding to African spirituality and talk about it on this channel. The aim is to demystify things, to make things more clearer for people to understand, so that we can be able to have a better understanding of the subject or the concept of African spirituality, and we can try to see how we can be able to use it to improve our life and our well-beings as well. Okay, so that is all about this channel, the main philosophy and idea behind this channel. So you are very welcome. I want to thank you for all my subscribers and people that have been supporting this channel, for your lovely comments, your wonderful comments, your support, and for your ideas and suggestions. I'm very grateful. Today I want to talk about something that is a bit different. It is not originally from African spirituality, but now it's like becoming a major part of African spirituality now. This is the item called the Dreamcatcher. This is a Dreamcatcher device. If you are into spirituality, you have to know this device. If you don't know what a Dreamcatcher is, that means you are a new person to spirituality, and today you are going to know it, because this is something that is becoming much more popular. It's now kind of becoming part of African spirituality now. So and I think it's a good thing in a way, and we need to talk about it. So this object called the Dreamcatcher, you can see it on the screen. It's an object that was originated from the American continent, specifically from the Ojibwe tribe in America, in North America. These are the Native Americans. By that I mean the real original Americans, the people that owns that continent, the native people before Christopher Columbus and his gang came to take over the continent. These are the original people, not the fake Americans, the real ones. They are the ones that created this Dreamcatcher concept. And the main tribe was the Ojibwe tribe. That is what they call themselves. And this Dreamcatcher was later adopted by other Native American tribes as well, but it originally originated from the Ojibwe people. But later on, it spread through intermarriage, traveling, and intermixing, and other type of circulation. And presently now, it is now in Africa now, circulating itself in Africa, and people are buying it, people are using it. So the Dreamcatcher is now here with us in Africa. So we need to know what it is. So the aim of this device is primarily for catching dreams, according to the name, Dreamcatcher. People buy this device, they hang it in their rooms, mostly close to the bedside. The aim of this device is that it's supposed to catch bad dreams or spiritual attacks in the night, prevent nightmares from coming to the owner or the person that is sleeping on that bed. So that is what they use it for. So many women buy this dreamcatcher and they use it. Almost any black woman that is practicing spirituality in Africa now, you will find that they're having a dreamcatcher with them. This is what I have noticed, and I have seen many of them having the tattoos. They don't only buy the dreamcatcher, they tattoo the dreamcatcher on their body. Nowadays, you're going to see a lot of women having dreamcatcher tattoos all over the place. It is very, very popular now. And the aim of this is that it stops them from getting nightmares in the nighttime. So I've not tried the dreamcatcher myself, but I hope to try it in the future. But this is what people say it does. That's why it is becoming very popular. They say that if you hang it in your house, it will catch evil spirits or bad spirits from getting into your house. That sort of things. And if you put it around your bed, any evil spirit coming to terrify you in the night, they cannot be able to get to you. So the origin of this very dream catcher has also been traced to a deity in the Native American pantheon. There is this deity that is called Asibakasha. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. The name of this deity is Asibakashi, aka the Spider Lady or the Spider Queen. She is the deity that originated, that gave this dream catcher as a gift to our people. She is the custodian or the guardian spirit of the Ojibwe people. So this very deity, they call them Asibakashi. She's the Spider Queen. She's the guardian of the Ojibwe people. So it got to a time whereby she discovered that the Ojibwe people are getting larger in population. They are expanding, and she discovered that she may not be able to take care of them all at once. She may not be able to oversee them at the same time. So she came up with this dream catcher spell and gave it to the Ojibwe people so that they can be using it to be protecting themselves wherever they are. As they are migrating and going to new places, they will be using it to protect themselves in the nighttime from evil spirits. So what the Ojibwe people have been using this dream catcher to do is that they design it with the feathers of exotic birds and ropes or some kind of earth materials in a circular shape, and they put it beside the bed or cradle of their babies or their own bed, and they sleep. And this helps to protect the children from bad dreams. It helps to catch bad dreams or any harms that might be present. It helps to filter it from reaching the children. And at the same time, the feathers act as ladders to allow good dreams to ascend to the children, to the infants that are sleeping. So this is what the ancient Native Americans have been using this very device for. So with time, it has become very popular. You can find it in almost every part of the world now. You can find it a lot in Asia. And now it's like it's making a big bust in Africa. Anybody practicing African spirituality, any woman you see practicing African spirituality must have a dream catcher. Now it's like a standard symbol of spirituality now in the world. So this is what people are using it for, and I have been able to examine the device. I see that it's actually an easy device to do. The shape, usually it has to come in a circular shape, which they say represent the spherical character of the world, and the feathers act as filters to prevent negative vibrations or negative entities, and the webs within the circle prevent those from getting to the individual. So you see like multiple dream catchers in a person's house. I've seen like some people having 3 dream catchers, some people having 4. Some people having 5, 2, 1, but it is very popular with women. Almost every female spiritualist I have come across, I see they having these dream catchers and they seem to like it. And I think it's a very, very beautiful device as well. I like the design, and I hope to have one in the future as well. So I'm hoping to buy one and put beside my bed and try it out. So this is something that I would like you guys to check out. I think it's a good thing and it's something that is worth having, if not for anything, for the aesthetic value of designing to look beautiful in the house. You can get one to beautify your house, if not for nothing else, and also to why beautifying your house is also protecting you from negative spirits and protecting your family as well. So I think it's something to have. So this is the dream catcher for you. So originally from Native American, it's not an African device, but now it's popular in African spirituality. Everybody is using it now, and the origin is from the Spider Queen, Asi Bakashi, aka the Spider Woman, the guardian of the Ojibwe people. So you know her name. You can also try to contact her. Those of you that are into channeling, you can try to channel her and try to get some gnosis from her about spirituality, about the dreamcatcher as well, to find out your own do your own research on the objects. So this is it for you. I think it's a very good device, and I want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think about it. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are welcome. Like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell under the screen so that you'll be the first to get my videos as soon as I bring them out. And I'll be in the next video. So take care and bye.